In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transcribe any Google Meet meeting in real time using Otter AI, even without automatic integration. Let's get started. To begin, you'll want to open Google Meet, launch your browser, and navigate to the Google Meet website. Once you're there, click on New Meeting and select Start an Instant Meeting to create one immediately. This will set the stage for everything that follows, so make sure you're comfortable with navigating the Meet interface. Now that your meeting is up and running, the next step is to copy your meeting link. In the meeting interface, you'll usually find a share icon or a button that lets you copy the link directly. This link is crucial as it will allow Otter AI to access and transcribe the meeting, so handle it carefully. With your meeting link copied, it's time to switch gears and open Otter AI. Open a new browser tab, go to Otter AI's website, and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up first, but that's a quick process. Once logged into Otter AI, you'll notice a camera icon in the top right corner. Click this icon, which will prompt you to paste the Google Meet link you copied earlier. Once pasted, go ahead and press join or record. What this does is it initiates Otter's recording process, allowing it to capture all the audio from your meeting in real time. As the meeting progresses, Otter will listen in and record everything for you. You won't need to do anything more at this point, other than focus on your meeting content, as Otter is handling the heavy lifting in the background. When your meeting concludes, simply finish the session as you normally would. Rest assured that once the recording stops, Otter automatically saves the file directly to your dashboard so nothing gets lost. Now let's dive into the transcription. Head over to My Conversations in Otter, where you'll find your recorded meeting listed. Clicking on it will reveal the transcription, complete with timestamps and speaker labels. This is where the magic of Otter really shines, turning spoken words into readable text with precision. Having the transcript is just the beginning. You can edit the text, highlight essential sections, and even export it in formats like TXT or PDF. This flexibility makes it easy to share with your teammates, ensuring that everyone stays on the same page. Here's a bonus tip to streamline your workflow. Before your meetings, keep Otter AI open in a tab. This prompts a quicker transition when you need to initiate a new recording, letting you get started with just one click. By doing so, you'll save valuable time and make the transcription process even more seamless and efficient.